To begin, log in to master site. Navigate to manage and then select products. You can begin to edit your products from here. To do so, simply search the product name in the search bar. Click the edit icon and an edit box will appear. You can adjust the cost, price or department and click save. The page will automatically refresh. You can search the product again to see the changes. To add a product, simply click Add Product on the top right hand side of the web page. Add in product name and counting unit. Select department. Add in cost price. If you are adding multiple new products, click Save and New. If you are only adding in a single new product, click Save and Close. Products are automatically added to the master site product list and all single site product lists.